Slip stitches show up often in amigurumi and general crochet pieces. They're going to show up a lot in granny squares when you're finishing up. You can see here I have this piece, and I have one side where it's just your regular crochet, and the other side I used a purple here to show you the slip stitch. So you can see it's a little bit tighter to the piece rather than the fuller single crochet. I've used a slip stitch to curve the tail on my permade pattern. Sometimes they're even used on top of crochet to change colors or to add extra details. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go into this purple here, so we're going to slip stitch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through both. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the loop. Now, a normal regular crochet, you would yarn over and pull through. But for a slip stitch, you're simply going to pull it all the way through. And that's your first slip stitch. Okay, we're going to do that again. I'm going to go through both, yarn over, pull through. But remember, we're not going to continue. We're just going to keep pulling through the working loop on your yarn. So I'll do that again. Push through both, yarn over, and pull through both loops, and that creates the slip stitch. If you found this tip helpful, please follow along for more crochet tips. If you're looking for a more interactive way to learn how to crochet, be sure to check out hookademy.com.